Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am opening my latest order from Revive Essential Oils. I think this is all essential oils this time. I needed vanilla and then I just got distracted and saw a bunch of other oils that I wanted to try. I make the best diffuser balm. It's like for any room, any time of day, really. It's just my favorite to diffuse right now. It's frankincense, bergamot, and vanilla. And I ran out of vanilla, so I had to get some more. So I'll do a video soon on how to make just a diffuser balm. It's basically just a bunch of drops of whatever oils that you like to diffuse into one bottle, empty bottle. And so you don't have to grab each oil every time. You just have your own diffuser blend. All right, so I'm just gonna open these guys and show you. My link to shop Revive will be down below. I am an affiliate with them. They are, I don't know, why am I scared to say they're our top one? They're in my top 3 favorite essential oils. They might be my favorite though. So here's just a snippet too of what they're about. They test their oils rigorously. They have like 20 tests or something that they share that they do. They do BCMS testing, which is what shows what's in the oil. So you can make sure there's no fillers and stuff. They're bottled in the US. They have free shipping. They're ethically and sustainably sourced and cruelty free. But this is Hawaiian sandalwood. So this is a bougie-er essential oil. It's kind of pricey. That's why I got this little baby size. Sandalwood is in a bunch of perfumes. So I'm getting ready to do a whole video on perfume dupes. So I asked you guys what your favorite perfumes were, and I'm going to try to recreate, they're obviously not going to be exactly, but I'm going to try to recreate the scent or the blend of some popular perfumes. And sandalwood is in a lot of perfume. It smells really, really good. It's like woodsy, but it's also just uplifting. Let's see. So this is Santalum paniculatum. So this is Hawaiian sandalwood, and it is a 2.5 ml bottle. Plant Therapy also has little bottles, baby bottles, and I really like that because you can get an expensive oil at a more affordable price because it's in a smaller bottle, if that makes sense. And then I have just the rest are a few essential oils too. So Zen, I have to look these up now to make sure I know exactly these. A lot of these are dupes. So on their website, you can go and I have like a compare to MLM tab, and you can, if you're, I think this one is Peace and Calming. So if you're a fan or a user of Plant Therapy, Young Living or Doterra, you can find your favorite blends there. And then they'll have a dupe. So this one is Zen, and this is Peace and Calming dupe from Young Living. So let's see. Oh, yes. Yes, it's so good. Peace and Calming is such a good blend, and I forgot about it. I haven't used it in a couple of years actually because we just don't use Young Living anymore, and I hadn't tried this dupe yet. Guys, this smells super, super good. So I love it, I think, because it has blue tansy. It's my favorite oil. And it has tangerine, orange, ylang ylang, patchouli, and blue tansy. This is such a bomb blend. It smells so good. That was Zen. Next is Snooze. And this is, I think, another blend, maybe, or another dupe. Let me see. Snooze. Now I don't see it in their dupes. This must just be one I got for the girls. So I went to fill their diffuser, and in their bedroom I just put like a drop of oil in a tiny diffuser, so it only runs for like an hour or 2 hours. They were out of my favorite sleepy time blend, so I thought I'd find a new one. Oh yeah, this is just a blend of 10 oils. This is just not a dupe. So it's lavender, orange, mandarin, Roman chamomile, German chamomile, vetiver, which is a really great oil for sleep, marjoram, valerian, another great oil for sleep, jasmine, and neroli. Ooh, it's very strong. Oh, this is a potent, that smells really, really good. You can really pick up the valerian and vetiver. Those are 2 super powerful, not like great smelling oils, but blended with all of those other ones, it smells really good. Ooh, jasmine, and yep, this smells amazing. Another amazing blend. I just get tired of lavender or whatever just being boring for sleepy time. But this one has a child safety cap, probably because it has wintergreen or an essential oil that children should not be around. Let's see. This is Sore No More. I have a bad knee. I'm in my mid-30s now, so that's just, I feel like what's going to happen. I work out regularly, and I do lots of stretching and different kinds of workouts, but still I hurt my knee, and it's been almost 2 months now. So I'm going to try this. I've been to the chiropractor, and that helps. I don't know what's going on. So anyways, I got this for that. This is peppermint wintergreen. So wintergreen is an oil you want to keep away from kids. I'm going to keep all your oils away from kids, actually. They shouldn't be handling them. Anyway, camphor, ylang ylang, helichrysum, blue tansy, bonus, German chamomile, and osmanthus. Ooh, I don't know what that is. I gotta look that up. This is a blend that's going to help with muscle relief. Oh, I had to crack it. It smells like icy hot or that type of super invigorating, but it smells like medicinal. So it doesn't smell good. Hopefully it works good. I will keep you guys updated. I think I'm just gonna put it in a roller and put it on my knee a bunch of times, 3 to 5 times a day for a couple of days and see if it helps. But it does, it hurts like throughout the day a little bit, but it's not bad enough to like go in for it yet. Stress Easy. Let's see, I think this is a dupe of Stress Easy. Oh yeah, someone told me to get this. So this is the dupe for Stress Away, which is a tropical smelling blend from Young Living. Has lime, copaiba, lime, cedarwood, lavender, octa tea, and vanilla. So it smells like the beach. It smells amazing and it just makes you happy. Just puts a smile on your face. One of those oils, like citrus oils. Smells super happy. It would be great for a summertime perfume. Someone told me to get this to see if it was just like Stress Away, and just from my first sniff, it's exactly and identical. It is the same. That smells really, really good. I will like a roller maybe or diffuse and let you know if it's not, or for some reason I don't like it after that, but it smells exact. And lastly, vanilla, what I came to order in the first place. So this is, vanilla is super interesting. I did a whole video on it. It's not an essential oil because it's not created or obtained the same way. It's not like steam distilled. This is an oleo resin. Vanilla planifolia. It's just, vanilla smells like vanilla beans. It just smells amazing. Also great in perfume, so I got it on my perfume making also to make this. It's frankincense, bergamot, and vanilla again, and equal amounts, a little bit more of the bergamot, and then pretty much equal amounts of frankincense and vanilla. Because with citrus, you want to just go a little bit more if you're making a blend, but I just put like 20 drops of each, maybe 30 of bergamot into a blend, and it smells so good. I could diffuse it and just like wear it all day. I love that smell right now. So there is my order. If you have any questions on Revive, let me know. They are like, they check every single box. I don't know if there is something about them that I don't like. Oh, I was gonna update you guys. Maybe I should do a separate like short or something, because I don't know if you'll be able to find this if you're looking for it, but I got their dishwasher tablets and I like prefaced it with like, I don't know if these are gonna work because I've used so many natural dishwasher pods and they don't work, and I'm sad to let you guys know they didn't work. If I use any kind of natural dishwashing tablet or cleaner, it leaves our dishwasher scummy with less film, and it also leaves our dishes smelling like fish. I don't know what's in the chemical toxic ones, but anything besides those, I think it's, I can't even think of the name. There's a very specific brand we have to get, which is super disappointing, and so those did not work. So there's one thing that I've tried and didn't work for us, but that's just our stupid dishwasher. Anyways, let me know if you have any questions, and let me know what you're excited about to try from Revive, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.